So, great people, great and wonderful. So, today we want to prepare something that is called um, groundnut soup or peanut soup, depending with the name that you want to give it. So, that's what we are going to prepare today. So first of all, we are going to actually to use, this is what we call mrenda in Kenya, mrenda. So we are going to, prepare it with mrenda. Just be ready for what is going to, come out of this. Cooking is art. That's what I mean. Oh, so let's wash our burger. Yeah, good people. So our next step is now, I don't know how you call it. Let me just translate it from my mother tongue. Is chielonjugu. Chielonjugu. If you do actually the the direct translation is called frying. What do we call it? Peanut or groundnut. So we are going to do, I don't know how you can put it in English, roasting, yeah, whichever the way. So our groundnut is already, have washed it in salty, water, just to give the taste, because is calling it peanut soup, but in my dialect we call it a lot jugu, which if I do a direct translation is peanut vegetable. Now so let's cook, guys. I know you've been waiting what we are going to partake our what do we call it, peanut soup with, or peanut vegetables with, is this viazi tamu, or what we call in English sweet potato. So this is the next step for our groundnuts, to remove the, what we will call, what we learned in school, monocotyledonous. Is that truly? I don't know. Just making some fun with it. Just to remove the, what do you call them? Whichever the way you call them. Pote in my dialect is called pote. So, guys, Sasha is the time to grind our groundnuts, ama peanuts, depending with where you're coming from. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to grind them or blend them. Which one is which? Guys, I want to show you. That's how it looks like. It looks like a peanut butter. Peanut butter. Ah, it smells nice. Is what we're going to use to make a peanut soap or peanut vegetable. That is peanut, of course. And then we have this is what meat, just a portion of it, and then we have our merenda. I don't know how it is called in English, but it is just that. And then we have a mixture of blended onion and tomato. So let the cooking begin. I forgot about this. This is a must. Yes, mala. And now let the cooking begin. This is what we do. I just put a small oil on this just to help me cook the blended onions and tomato. Our sweet potatoes are ready. This is a sweet potato. It's already there. Like a nice thing. Anyway. Okay. And then you stir it a little bit. So I don't know if you know what nyaluolikali mean. And then you put your already cooked meat, a smaller portion of it. And mala. And then we put this is our merenda. Merenda. Yes. You stir, you stir, you stir. And then for the sake, before you put your peanut butter, this is what you're going to do. You put a little bit of mala. I don't know how mala is called in English. Maybe fermented milk. I don't know which one is that. But let me just put it. I don't know what kind of name you use. So you put a little bit for before you put your peanut butter or peanuts. two kwa kikombe, and then you do this, and then you put your peanut butter like this. Peanut butter. We are making peanut soup or peanut vegetable. Alot njugu. Direct translation from my dialect. And then you stir, you stir, you stir, you stir, you stir, you stir, you stir. Ngoja kidogo. You stir, 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 and stir. You stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. Yeah, so it needs a little bit of water, and then we'll add milk. So because I had blended my onion and tomato here, so I would love to use this. Yeah. And then you stir, you stir, you stir, you stir. So this you can eat it with anything you like. You can use bread, you can eat it with ugali, no, but okay, you can use sweet potatoes, you can use mashed potatoes, you can use, yes, even ugali. There is nothing wrong with that. You can use, I don't know if chapati can be, depending with where you're coming from, yam, because in Kenya there is only one place that has yam. You can use, what do you call it? Let me just put all of this. You can use, what else? Name it. Rice, yes, you can. Yeah. It's a nice meal, man. It's very healthy. It's organic, man. Organic. So thanks to my mom, she taught me how to do this. Thanks to my mom. Do is you cover it to simmer so that it can have you can have a very well cooked food. Thank you, guys. That is our meal for the day. Yes, so that's what we're going to partake for supper. Do you like what you see? Thank you.